Guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna be playing Murder vs. Shares. Like I promised, Blizzard is in here. Say hi.
Hey guys.
Yep, we're gonna be playing the same game and we're gonna kick some people. And maybe we're just gonna go like 4 rounds, and then we're gonna play Escape Tsunami. I'm not even that stacked. If you see, you please give me like what's it called, a 1 trillion per second?
Who?
Like a guy from Murder vs. Shit. I mean, bro, I'm so stupid. Like, what's it called? Like Tsunami Brain Rot.
I might give you one. I might.
You do not have a 1 trillion per second, blood.
Oh, I might. Oh, remember that one guy? Monkey Fluffy? Sorry for revealing your name. But, he gave me that ESOC.
Yeah, but it doesn't do 1 trillion.
I don't know. This guy's playing on console.
Come on, get over here. Boy, you slow. There.
Alright.
Finally! Reg.
Ridge? Hell no.
Hell yeah. Are you crazy? Hell yeah.
Ariel's better.
Sure it is. Yes. We have to do this.
I'll turn my volume up to 1.
Well, yeah, I actually might though. Like, I think it was too loud. 1 second. Actually, too loud.
Sorry if that's too loud, guys. I'll turn it down.
I'm gonna walk in for now. No, this is like too low, so I'm gonna like walk in.
Oh, okay. Bro, I saw the last video with me. I sounded so stupid.
Hey, who cares? Why do you say you sound so stupid?
Like, I sounded weird because I didn't have a mic.
I mean, I don't have a mic right now.
Bro, let me check on my phone. Let me check how many views I got.
Bro,
I'm going to your channel right now. It got 1 view.
let's go.
Alright, back to this.
We always gotta stay positive.
Yep. Now, guys, I'm playing my laptop, so I might be a little musty or bad.
Rusty is crazy though.
I might be a bit rusty.
That is embarrassing. That is embarrassing. Doctors and motions. Guys, if you know that, though, that's like, okay. Don't do that! Get scared. Jump.
Oh, it wouldn't let me shoot. Okay, that's not my fault.
Yep, not at all.
Yo, now guys, I'm a mobile player. I'm more of a mobile guy.
Yeah,
But I'm
better
playing
than
on
your
laptop
mobile.
right now because my iPad died.
You gotta like.
So that might be why I'm a bit bad.
Bro! What are you selling right now? Bro. Like, I'm actually turning. Oh.
What?
I'm actually a bot. Let me carry now. I'm carrying now. Like, I'm actually a bot. Like, I'm actually like low-key a bot, bro.
Sure, bucko.
No, I said I'm a bot. Did I not shoot her?
Okay. No, I'm a bot.
No, I am. You see, you're a bot, huh?
Okay, yeah, I'm not.
So I'm literally a bot. I didn't get up. 1 second. Like, I'm a bot, bro. I'm literally the definition of a bot.
Oh, frick. Damn it.
No, keep it. That's it.
Damn it.
Yeah, I'm literally a bot. I'm literally a bot, bro. Like, bro, I sold like crazy.
Me just waiting for her to come out.
Bro, if I were you, I'd just let that. Damn, that was nasty.
Yep. I mean, if I was playing on my iPad, I would cook her.
I'm gonna walk in now, bro. Like, I can't take this. Oh, how did I miss that? Oh my god, I'm such a bot, though. I'm walking in next round, bro. I'm a bot, bro.
Okay.
Nice.
No.
Did you see how his gun moved like that, bro? Did you see how it moved, or was that just me, bro? It just walked. Wait, should we do a 1v1 for them? Let's do a 1v1 for my fans.
Fine.
I don't know who's gonna win, to be honest, at this point. He carried me, bro, and I was literally going like a ball, bro. I turned into a bar. I sure if he gets one kill on me, unsubscribe to me, bro. If he gets one kill on me, bro.
Then, alright, bet. I'll try and kill you then.
Because this guy's a bot. I mean, if he wins around. I mean, if he wins around. I mean, if he wins. I mean, if he wins this round.
If I win the game?
Yeah.
Bet.
Or just gives away where you're at. It just gives away where you're at this point. Boy, keep on missing that.
Oh, that was horrible.
Oh, I missed that.
Okay.
I'm such a buff.
No! I can't lose my 3-game streak.
Get a mouse.
Huh?
Get a mouse. Simple solution.
I have a mouse.
Oh.
I have a mouse hooked up to my computer.
Did I not shoot that?
No.
How did I not make that? Did I not shoot that? Did I? No.
How did I? Damn it. Frick. Frickadoodle-doo. Ow, my eye hurts. I hurt my eye today and it hurts. I'm rubbing it too much.
Okay.
I can't climb up.
Oh, you're right there. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a.
Bro, I'm only using one eye. My other eye hurts so bad.
I mean, I can still cook him, though. Don't think I'm bad.
Okay, well, I have one eye, so you kind of have a cheat code.
Oh my gosh.
What?
I hit
hitbox?
I literally hit you with my knife. Yeah, that was actually probably a hitbox, huh, bruh?
I need to tie it up. What? Okay.
You did not hit me blood, bro. It looks like you hit me what you did, bro.
And it's because this hitbox is insane.
It's not hitbox, bro. You call that a hitbox?
Okay, that hit you.
It did not, bro. And you said every time I kill you, like hitbox. That was hitbox, man. And
oh my god, my eye hurt. Ow! I keep rubbing it.
Let's go. Let's go. Look it. Nice. Nice.
Bro, this notification. Stupid notifications. My sister texting me.
And bro can't go to your room. You're definitely.
No. I'm so scared.
Oh, I actually missed out. I'm bald.
Oh,
I'm paying you my knives right now, bro. I'm only
Bro.
using my knives. No! What is that?
no, no.
Okay, let's play the tsunami game now. Since we're already 10 minutes in. Let's play the tsunami game now, guys. Oh, I swear if it's full again, I'm gonna cry. It's not full. Walk in, Alex. It's about to be full.
I'm gonna cry, bro.
I told you guys in my last video, that's his nickname, Alex. Besante. A celestial appears in 4 minutes. Let's go get it. Lobsters and
It
lobsters.
appears in 4 minutes.
A celestial, bro.
Okay, yeah, I think you're right. I don't have anything that makes a trillion a second. Where's my ESOC? You gave me an ESOC, I just don't know where it is. Where's my inventory?
I
Here.
hope my ESOC spawns for celestial. Run.
Where are you?
I'm at the cosmic. And I didn't say the full word, so don't get mad at me, parents. Please, bro.
You didn't say the full word of what?
The F word. Lobsters in motion. Lobsters in motion. Let's go. That is embarrassing.
I never look at one of those. It always says that exact one. I'm at mythical.
Go to the end, bro. There's a guy, and I'm trying to hit him because I don't want him to get the celestial.
Oh, alright, I'll come.
So help me. Yes, he got hit. Got hit, right?
I can't. I need VIP. I want to buy it.
Do you have Robux?
Yes, I do.
Perfect.
I just bought it.
Nice. Bro, one
I don't even know
VIP.
what that does, but
Oh, this guy's too annoying. I want the celestial, bro.
coming to the end.
Oh my god.
I'm one away.
Do
Okay,
the last one coming. That's it. Oh. Get him, bro. He's right there. He left this kid. Alex, get your ass. Let's go.
Oh my god! Who hit me?
I want the celestial, bro. Especially the ESOC. Help me, bro.
I can't. You killed me.
That was not me, bro. That was the other kid. Hit?
What's his best thing? I'm gonna steal from him.
Can you steal something from me in another server? Yes, he died.
Oh, this is so cool.
What is it?
I'm stealing this 100 billion.
Oh, it's not that good.
Yeah, actually, I know.
It's back
I'm
home.
coming.
Like, this guy
Bro,
is.
VIP is actually so helpful.
I'm gonna get VIP when I get Robux tomorrow, probably.
Yo, chat, are we still filming?
Yeah, we're still failing, bro. Of course.
I forgot. I'm in Cosmic.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video right now since it's gonna be a long time to edit because it's 14 minutes and we're just kids. So yeah, bye guys. I hope you have a wonderful night. And yeah,
Bye, guys.
peace, guys.